Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use filters in Capcut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one. And now you have to click on the edit option, which is the first one in the bottom of the screen. Scroll a little bit and you should see the filters option. And now you can see here some featured filters, portrait, life, food, and so on. Of course, there are pro versions and free versions or free filters. You can check them out, and then you can apply to your videos and images if you click on that check mark option or icon on the bottom of the screen. And of course you can do it yourself if you click on the adjust. Here you have the specific adjustment tools for your videos and images. You can see the auto adjust, which is a pro option, but you can change the brightness, the contrast, saturation, exposure, and so on. So here you can select exactly to your style all these things, or these adjustments. And the last one is the video quality. Here you can remove the flickers, of course it's a pro option, and the reduce image noise as well. So if you have a subscription or a pro version of CapCut, you can do them as well, or you can use them as well. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.